My name is Dr. Meenakshi Bharath, and I am a gynecologist by profession, a very passionate garbage evangelist. And 1 week into the lockout, everybody is wondering what to do with the time that is at hand in our homes. Today I can tell you something that you can do very simply without any problems. It's called a 2-bin 1-bag phenomena. You need to segregate your waste at home, at source. Into one bag, into one bin, you will put in all your wet waste. As you can see here, it is all wet waste. There is no lining of the bin with a plastic bag. It's just plain wet waste. And all the vegetables and the fruits that we have eaten, the peels of it are sitting inside. This is the dry waste bin, and these are the 2 bins that are kept in the kitchen. One for dry waste. So as you get a dry waste, what is man-made, you put it into this. What is God-made, you put it into this. And milk packets are dry waste. So paper, whatever you get, put it into that. And then you collect it in these bags so that it holds much more. And this can be kept outside. Now, what do you do with the wet waste? Very easily, it's compostable. It's like cooking. When you make avlaki, if you add too much of water, then it becomes soggy. If you add less water, it becomes dry. So what do I do? This is all added. You need an accelerator. You need something dry. So I am putting to the wet waste, I am putting this. And I'm adding a little bit of water, and if you can add a little bit of sour curds, that will act as the bacteria. Give it a mix up like this and let it lie down in a container like this where it gets composted. I can show you what has been composting, and there is absolutely no smell. This is composted, so nothing to worry about. Alright, what is left? There is a 2-bin 1-bag, I said. The second bin is the hazardous waste bin. And what goes into the hazardous waste is the sanitary waste, the pamper waste, and the medical waste. That is the hazardous waste bin. So for us in our house, I have 2 girls and a little baby. I am of course menopausal. There is nothing that is there except for medical waste, because my mother is a diabetic and she uses reusable syringes. That all that we throw out is the small little needles and the insulin that comes like this. For me, my grandson is the epitome of being sustainable. My daughter-in-law and my son have not used a disposable sanitary pamper napkin for the kid since the moment he was born. This is made out of all the old punches that you people have. Make a nice napkin and give it to him, and in the night there is something called as a bumberry. Where he is, can you see him? He is so nicely, very happily wearing a pamper. Pamper? No, a cloth pamper. And for the girls, there are cloth napkins and menstrual cups that are there. And he's already at 8.5 months, he's already potty trained. So what happens with these napkins? The child gets to know that his bottom is wet. The child will not get urinary tract infection, and the child will be perfectly happy like this little kid. So as you are spending this lockout, stay safe, stay home, stay safe, and stay sustainable. Do this. I am in Bangalore, and everybody around the country can do this without any problems.